Hello, 7th grade. I'm going to explain your week 3 instructional video, and so you can complete all of your assignments without any problems. You're going to start on modules, and you are going to scroll all the way down to week 3. You'll see it says week 3 cell theory. You're going to see your attendance for the week. You have your Monday through Friday. Please be sure you're logging in every single day, even when we do not have a live session. Please log in and do your attendance no matter what. Then you're going to see your first required assignment, and this is going to be your content video. So I'm going to click on that, and this is your content video notes, cell theory. So we're going to have you watch the video down at the bottom, the wacky history of cell theory, and then you are going to use the Google document at the bottom to take your notes for the week. Remember, this is going to save into your Google Drive in your science folder. You do not need to share this document with us because anytime you click submit, we automatically can see it in your Canvas. Okay, and so this is what your notes must include, and it's going to be 5 scientists primarily responsible for cell theory, dates and discoveries that each scientist contributed to cell theory, and 3 statements of cell theory. So you're going to watch this fun video, and you're going to click on this where it says load week 3 content video notes, and that is where you're going to be typing your notes as you watch the video. So that is going to be your content for week 3 is going to be cell theory. So we're going to go back to modules, down to week 3. So we have our content video done. Now you're going to have your exit ticket. So your next assignment is your exit ticket. This is graded. What you're going to do for your week 3 exit ticket is you are going to read this passage above. So here's our passage. It's over cell theory. And you are going to answer the questions in the Google document. So we have already typed out your questions, and you are just going to answer them. If you keep scrolling, you'll see this Google document, and you will be able to see the questions already in there, and you're just going to type the answers. So we're trying to make it very easy on you. Okay, and then back to our assignments of this week. Okay, so week 3, we've already been to our content video, our exit ticket, now your activity. This week it's going to be very fun. You get to explore a microscope. This is a graded activity, so you're going to click right there, week 3 activity, and you're going to get to use a microscope virtually. Okay, so you're going to complete the steps so that you are able to work with the microscope. You need to be sure that you're doing this in order so that it's working. 1, you're going to begin by accessing the link. So you're going to click virtual microscope, and yours may pop up.
Welcome. Click here for a tour.
So it's telling us what to do. So you're going to click right here where it says start tour, and then you are going to be sure you go through exactly how it's telling you. And here's the different slides. You have the cheek smear, bacterial capsule, onion root tip, and the letter E. And right here you'll see, make sure the volume is on, click the start tour, and then number 3, when asked to select a slide, begin with the green specimen onion root. This is the easiest one to observe. So which one was the onion root? Right here. You're going to begin with the onion root tip. Okay, and then you'll be able to click on the Switch Objectives tutorial under the Getting Started box, and be sure to listen because he is going to walk you through everything you need to do. The question that you're going to be answering is, what are the 4 specimen slides that you can choose to observe? So just like the other activity, you are going to click right here, type in your answer, and then click submit. You do not need to share it with your teacher, just click submit. Okay, let's go back to our module of the week. And you are going to be on, you've done your activity, now your choice board. Your choice board has not changed. You still have the same 9 options. that you had the week before. So you're going to choose one of those 9 options from the choice board to complete for this week. Your content this week is cell theory. So you're going to please show us what you have learned about cell theory. Hopefully the choice board is making a little more sense to everybody and it's becoming a fun activity. Then you're going to see your assessment. Your assessment has a few different things this week. I'm going to give us a quick look at that. So you're going to have your normal questions, but then you're going to have some that look like this. This one wants you to click and drag the names to put the scientist in order. So you can click on the name and pull them so that they are in order. So you're going to put them in order of their contributions to cell theory. Okay, so that's one of the questions that's going to look a little different. And then we're also going to have this one, and it's identify the living organisms from the choices below. So you're able to click on multiple organisms that are living. So you don't have to just pick one. You are welcome to pick more than one if that is the correct answer. Okay, so that is your assessment for the week. And then you have your 2 optional. You have your social and emotional, who way for Wadney Wat, and compliment list, and a positive coloring sheet. Super fun ways that you can kind of just let your mind go for a break. And then we also have our fun brain breaks that are always fun to do. Alrighty guys, I hope you have an awesome week 3.